Yeah, guys. So what is happening? First we are doing initialization starting with value, and then if the condition is true, then it will execute the block, and then it will check increment or decrement. After increment or decrementation is over, it will go back to the condition checking. So it will keep on iterating while the given condition is true. So whenever the condition is false, it will be stopped. Okay. So let us see how to calculate, to print 1 to 20 numbers using while loop. Okay, go to new project, Java project, and I click on next. And then let me give this project name as Winsoft 17, and then click on finish. The project is ready. So now what are we doing? Just right click on the project, add a new class, and then the package name is com.prakash, I said, followed by app is my class name, and click on main method. Straight. So guys, what is the program now we are doing? To print 1 to 20 numbers using while loop. So what to do? First we have to start with initialization. Integer I is equal to 1. This had to be variable declaration and initialization. No boss, I want to do it in 2 lines means you can do like this also. I equal to 1. Integer I is variable declaration. I is equal to 1 is initialization. Here I am giving, this is called as initialization, starting value. And then while within brackets condition. So what are we writing here? I want to go up to 20, right? So I said I less than or equal to 20. So what is this I less than or equal to 20? This is called as condition. And inside this we are writing sys out I value. So 1 will be printed. Okay. So what's happening? First we are starting with I value 1, and we are checking condition I less than or equal to 20. Yes, 1 less than or equal to 20. It will come and print I value 1 is printed. Then I plus plus. So what is this I plus plus? This is called as incrementation. Increment or decrement. You can use any one, depends upon the situation. So I plus plus is becoming 2. 2 less than or equal to 20. Yes, it will print 2. 2 plus plus 3. 3 less than equal to 20, yes, 3 is printed. 4 up to 19, 19 less than equal to 20, yes, 19 printed. Then it will become 20, 20 less than equal to 20, yes, 20 will be printed. Okay, and then 20 plus plus 21, 21 less than equal to 20, no, so it will be stopped. So let's write and see, guys. See the output in the bottom. You can find 1 to 20 numbers here. I think it's not executed. Let's try it again. Yeah, you can see here. See, all 1 to 20 numbers printed, but I don't want to see vertically, I want to print them horizontally. So can you guys what to do if you want to print them horizontally, 1 comma 2 comma like that? Gopi, any guess?
Print,
Yes,
print,
we need
sir.
to say, yeah, we need to say print here. So in order to print horizontally, what to do? I here print we need to say, and then I you need to print, beside that I want to print a comma, or you can give space also, but space may not be good. If you give comma, you will get 1 to 20 numbers in a single line. It's perfect to print. Is it clear, guys?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
So now I want to print 20 to 1 numbers. Can anyone guess what to change, where to change? 20 to 1 numbers. So let's create a new project. Meanwhile you think and let me know, guys. So I said Winsoft 18. Okay, new class com.prakash. I'm giving package name, and the class name is app as it is, and then main method. Finish. So now I want to print 20 to 1 numbers. Okay, print 20 to 1 numbers using while loop. Okay, so what to do, guys? Integer I is common. I equals to, from where I need to start 20 to 1 numbers means,
I minus.
no, I is equal to, from where I need to begin with.
20, sir.
20. So I is equal to 20. And now while we need to write a condition. So what should I write here? While I greater than or equal to 1. So here I need to print I value. So 20 will be printed. Then I minus. Okay. So what happens here? First I value is 20. It will come and check here. 20 greater than equal to 1. Yes, greater than 1. It will come and print 20. 20 minus. It will become 19. 19 greater than equal to 1. Yes, 19. 19 minus. So like that keep on iterating up to 1. So 1 is printed. 1 greater than equal to 1. Yes, 1 printed. 1 minus 0. 0 greater than equal to 1. No. So you will not get output. So you will get 1 to 20 to 1 numbers. You can see the output, guys. You are getting numbers vertically. So we want to print them horizontally. Simple. I plus within double quotes we are concatenating with comma. So you'll get 20 to 1 numbers. So is it clear, guys? So that is the
Sir.
way to work with the while loop in order to print 20 to 1 numbers. So now I want to print in the same program I'm modifying, guys. I want to print 1 to 20 even numbers. 1 to 20 even numbers. 1 to 20 even numbers means I want to print 2, 4, 6, 8 like this. Like this I want to print 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 20. Yeah, guys, can you tell me what are the changes I need to do to this program?
I
Gopi?
equal to 1 to 20, sir.
20, 2, 4,
While
6, 8
దగ్గర
like this.
while దగ్గర ఈవెన్ అని పెట్టాలి.
దానికి ఈవెన్ అని ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది? మనం ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి? 2 దగ్గర నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. ఎందుకంటే 2 దగ్గర నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతున్నాయి కదా, మనకి స్టార్టింగ్ వాల్యూ అంతా 2. సో యూ హావ్ టు స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్
n plus 2.
ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలి? వీ హావ్ టు సే అప్ టు 20 కదా. సో వెన్ యూఆర్ స్టార్టింగ్, ఎక్కడైతే స్టార్టింగ్ అన్నాడో 1 అన్నాడు, బట్ 1 ఈజ్ నాట్ ఎన్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్, రైట్? సో యూ హావ్ టు స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ 2. అదే ఆడ్ నంబర్స్ అనుకోండి, వీఆర్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ 1. ఈవెన్ నంబర్స్ కాబట్టి వీ హావ్ టు స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ 2. అండ్ ఇక్కడ ఏం రాయాలి? అప్ టు 20. ఎప్పుడైనా సరే వెన్ యూఆర్ రైటింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ స్మాల్ టు బిగ్ వీ హావ్ టు యూస్ లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు. ఇట్స్ ఎ గుడ్ బ్లైండ్ మార్క్ యూ నీడ్ టు రిమెంబర్. లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు వాడాలి. ఎక్కడి వరకు వెళ్ళమన్నాడు? అప్ టు 20. సో యూ హావ్ టు సే 20. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So 2 ఇచ్చాము. 2 less than or equal to 20. Yes, it will print 2. After that, after printing 2, if I want to get 4, what should I do? 2 నుంచి 4కి వెళ్ళాలంటే
n plus 2.
So I plus is equal to 2. You can say like this. So I'm confusing, sir. I don't understand what is I plus equal to means. You can say I is equal to I plus 2. ఇలా అనొచ్చు. Both are same. Is it clear, guys? So then what happens? I value 2. 2 less than or equal to 20? Yes. 2 is printed. Then 2 plus 2 how much? 4. 4 less than or equal to 20? Yes. 4 is printed. 4 plus 2 how much? 6. 6 less than or equal to 20? Yes. 6 is printed. Like that go up to 20. 20 less than or equal to 20? Yes. 20 is printed. 20 plus 2 how much? 22. 22 less than or equal to 20? No. The condition is false. Then it will be stopped. Let's see the output. Oh, sorry. I equal to I forgot to save control S. That's why it's not. Yeah. Now you got it, huh? Any doubt in this, ma? Srenu, Gopi?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Let's. Can you do it reverse? 20, 18, 16 like that. Can you do it as a task or I need to show? I'm expecting like this 20, 18, 16. Like this, I want to print up to 2. Reverse. చేస్తారు ఇది?
We can do, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
please try it out and let me know. 20 to 1 even numbers. Okay, so please try this out and let me know. And the
Okay,
next
sir.
one is I want to print 1 to 20 odd numbers. This also can try to print 1 to 20 odd numbers. So 1 to 20 odd numbers means what is the output, guys?
1,
3,
3,
5.
5.
1, 3, 5, 7 up to 19 you need to print. I think you can do, these are all very small programs, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now let's go for something called 1 to n numbers. Okay, 1 to n numbers. What is n here? We should ask the user for n value. If user enters n value, like n value 100 means we need to print 1 to 100 numbers. If n value is 50 means 1 to 50 numbers. So that is what 1 to n numbers. So what to do? So to print 1 to n numbers, what to do? We should take n value, right? So I'm using scanner class. Import java.util.scanner. Now create scanner class object. Scanner s is equal to new scanner of system dot. Okay. So now we should ask. Let me delete all these lines of code. Let's ask the user for n value, integer n. Okay, and I also am taking sysout enter n value. We are asking user for n value. So that I am reading into n itself. N is equal to s dot next integer. The number is ready. So now we need to print 1 to n number. So what should I write here? I is equal to 1. So while I less than or equal to n, previously I was saying I less than or equal to 20, like that. But now what I'm saying, I less than or equal to n. What is n value here? I don't know. It may be n value 50 or 100 or 500 or 1000. I don't know. So I need to print I value here. What is I value? So 1 will be printed. Then I should go to next number. So I'm saying I plus plus. So it will go to next number. So it will keep on iterating up to n. If n value is 5 means 1 to 5 numbers. If n value 500 means 1 to 500. 1000 means 1000 numbers. So let us check it out, guys. Let's run it. Enter n value. I said 50. Press enter. See the output, guys. You will have 1 to 50 numbers. See from the beginning, 1 to 10. See continuing up to 50, because my n value is 50. If you give 500, you will get up to 500. 1000 is 1000. So this is the way to work with the loop control statements like while loop. Okay, yeah. So guys, can you do reverse now? N to 1 numbers. If I give n value 50, I want to print like 50, 49, 48 up to 1 I need to print. Can you do this?
Yes, sir.
What to do? Can you guess what to do? So up to this is common, same code, but I want to print n to 1 numbers. Now what should I write here?
N
What
less than or equal.
I value లెస్
N
దెన్
minus.
అనకూడదు. లెస్ దెన్
I
అనకూడదు,
equal
ఎందుకంటే
to n.
టాప్ టు బాటమ్ వచ్చినప్పుడు, అంటే పై నుంచి కిందికి వచ్చినప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు కూడా గ్రేటర్ దెన్ వాడాలి. స్మాల్ టు బిగ్ వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు కూడా లెస్ దెన్ వాడాలి. ఇది స్మాల్ టు బిగ్ కదా, 1 to n అంటే, సో లెస్ దెన్ అది ఈక్వల్ టు వాడాలి. పై నుంచి వచ్చినప్పుడు n to 1 వచ్చినప్పుడు గ్రేటర్ దెన్ వాడాలి.
Greater than. Sir.
చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు ఏం రాయాలి? వాట్ షుడ్ ఐ రైట్ హియర్? I equals to
N, sir.
n.
ఇక్కడ
I greater than N.
I greater than or equal to n. 1 అనాలి. 1 వరకు కదా మనం ప్రింట్ చేయాల్సింది.
I greater than or equal to 1.
ఇక్కడ
I minus minus.
I minus.
మైనస్ వెరీ గుడ్, బికాస్ నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్కి వెళ్ళాలి, కిందకి వెళ్ళాలి కాబట్టి మైనస్. ఇంక్రీజ్ అవ్వాలంటే ప్లస్ ప్లస్. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ ద
Yes, sir.
పాయింట్. ఈ చిన్న లాజిక్ తెలుసుకుంటే చాలు. మనం టాస్క్ నెంబర్ 3 టు ప్రింట్ n to 1 numbers. Example, if n value is equal to 5 అయితే కనుక the output should be like 5 4 3 2 1 అలా రావాలి అవుట్పుట్. ఓకే, 500 అంటే 500, 499 like that we have to print. Okay, so the next one is task number 4 to print 1 to n even numbers. Can you do this, guys? If n value is 20 or n value is 10, the output should be 2 4 6 8 up to 10. Okay,
Yes, sir.
if n value 100 means up to 100 even numbers we need to print. Okay, same way reverse. or you can try 1 to n even odd numbers also. Odd numbers very easy, right? 1 to 10 odd numbers. Can you tell me guys 1 to n odd numbers? N value 10 means what should I print?
1, 3, 5, 7, and 9.
9, that's it. Okay. Now task number 5 is a little bit different. You need to think and write the code. That is like if you want to print uh, n to 1 numbers, what to do? 1 to 1 even numbers, guys, even numbers, what to do? Suppose if n value is 20, so what is the output you are expecting, guys?
18 and
2018.
16.
20, 18, like that. Okay, 16 and so on. Okay, that is fine. Okay, up to 2 you are printing, that is good. But if n value is 21,
Not execute.
no, no, no. If n value is 21, 21 is not even number, right? So you have to start from 20 only.
Yes, sir.
So if you give n value 20 or 21, you have to print the same output. Are you understanding, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is your duty? If the number is 20, you can start from 20. I mean, if the number is even number, you can start from that number. No, sir, if the given number is odd number, so what to do? We have to subtract 1 from the number and then we need to continue printing other numbers. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is the way to work with the what you call while loop with the n to 1 even numbers, and you can try n to 1 odd numbers also. Okay, same model, n to 1 odd numbers. Small changes, that's it. It's not a big deal to write n to 1 odd numbers. Okay, if I give n value 20, you have to start from 19, 17, 15, like that. You need to go up to 1. Okay, so though n value is 19, you have to start from 20, you have to start from 19 only. Okay, because we are expecting odd numbers from user. Okay, now what to do? So now let's try to print I asked you now hello world 100 times how to print. Okay, let's try to do that. 100 times means let us see 10 times first, and then if you know that, you can easily do with the 100 times. It's very simple to change the condition. Okay, so let's create new project. So copy and paste. Yeah, let's go to 90. Here I'm modifying the code. So what are we doing? So we are trying to print a hello world. I want to print. How many times? 10 times.
100 times.
100 times or 1000 times or whatever. How many times you want? Okay, let us say 100 times to print hello world for, let's say, 10 times. First we'll see 10 times, then we'll make it 100 times or n times. It's very simple. Okay, so let us commit this n value first. I don't want to use n value here. I want to start with 1. So I less than or equal to 10, because 10 times only I want to go. So what I want to print here, I don't want to print I value. This time I want to print hello world. Hello world I want to print. How many times? 10 times. 100 means just make it as 100, guys. It's very simple. So I value 1, 1 less than equal to 10. Yes, 1 less than 10. It will come and print hello world I plus plus 2. 2 less than equal to 10. Yes. It will go and print again hello world I plus plus 3. So 4, 5, like that it will print up to 10 times. You can see the output in the bottom. Hello world how many times came? We got it for
10
10
times.
times. No, sir, I want 100 times. What to do? Just change this as 100 and run it. You will get 1 to 100 times. No, sir, I don't know how many times you want. Then we can say n times
10
to
times.
print hello world for n times. So now this time I'm enabling this code, I'm commenting this code. We are asking user for n value. So if I value 1 and while I less than or equal to
N, sir.
Ah, n, very good. So 1 to n. Now run it. You can give whatever number you want. It may be 100 or 1000 or whatever. Let's say 100 now. See this, guys? We got hello world for 100 times. Of course, you can count it if you want to count. See, there are so many lines out there, 100 lines. It will be printed. So that is the power of loops. So loops will be executing so many times. It may be fixed number of times or unknown number of times also possible. Okay, right now we are telling up to n times. Tomorrow I don't know n values, sir, how many times I want to execute. Can I do it? Yes, that is also possible. Okay, yeah, that's all about printing 1 to n times hello world. Okay, this is the program. Next.
సార్ పక్కన ఒకవేళ సీరియల్ నెంబర్ రావాలంటే
Very good point. Yeah, can you guess this, guys? Srinu, can you guess? పక్కన నంబర్ 1 రావాలి హలో వరల్డ్ పక్కన 2 బై సెకండ్ ఇటరేషన్ 2 రావాలి అలా. శ్రీను, కెన్ యూ గెస్?
మళ్ళీ కొటేషన్స్ కామా పెట్టి
కంకాడినేషన్ చేయాలి సార్.
ఐ వాల్యూ కాన్కాటినేట్ చేయండి. ఎక్కడ బిఫోర్ కావాలా ఆఫ్టర్ కావాలా? ఇట్స్ యువర్ విష్. సపోజ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు ప్రింట్ బిఫోర్ ఓన్లీ. సో just give it like this and run it. You will get I value. What is I value? I value 1. 1 less than equal to 100. Yes. First it will print 1 and followed by hello world. 2 hello world. 3 hello world, like that. You can see now. And value I said 100. See the output now. You can see the output here. See, guys. 1 పక్కన డాట్ వస్తే బాగుంటుంది సార్. 1 dot hello world. So can I do it? So just add dot inside the double quotes. Okay, now run it. You will get 1 dot hello world, 2 dot hello world, like that. You will get 1 to 100 numbers. See the output in the bottom. And value I said 100 or 1000, no problem. See the output now. With the dots we got it. 1 dot hello world, 2 dot hello world, like that. We got up to 100. Guys, are you listening?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
So that is the power of loop control statements. How many times you want to print, that many times you can iterate. That is the power of loop control statements. Okay, so let me paste this in your code. Now, so what I want to do is, so I want to do something which is in real time. So in which case we go for loops means. So this is for logics. To understand the concept of loops, I'm using these examples for practice. But in real time, what kind of examples or programs will be done? Okay. So before discussing it, let me show you a small program. What happens if the condition is wrong in while loop? Okay. 1 minute now, I'm getting called. Just a minute. చెప్పు. ఓకే ఓకే. ఆఫ్టర్నూనా? ఓకే ఓకే, ఫైన్. సరే. బై. Yeah, guys, let's continue now. So what I want to do is, now I want to show you what happens if the condition is failed in while. For example, I don't have this one n value. Forget about n value and all. Just I have I, and then so I'm removing this also. Scanner class is also not required. is to show you what happens if the condition is false. What happens if the condition is false? Guys, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what happens if the condition is false in while loop? For example, I said I equal to 1. I want to print 1 to 20 numbers actually. Okay. I said I equals to 1. I less than equal to 20. So let us say I value I'm printing. So I plus plus. When you run it, you will get output. Or let us say print. I want to print in the same line. That's why I said like this. And remove n also. N is also not required. Okay, done. Let's run it and see, guys. You can see the output. It's very perfect. We got 1 to 20 numbers. Okay, now by mistake I said greater than instead of less than. Guys, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Can you guess the output now? What is the output of this program? Srinu?
1 to 20, sir.
Mm-hmm. Why 1 to 20?
Not ex. Not ex.
It will not execute. Why? Because I value 1 now.
One greater.
1 greater than or equal to 20? False. False means it will simply come out of the loop. Do we have anything here? Nothing. So you will not get any output. Nothing will be printed. See, I don't have any output in the bottom. Are you understanding, ma?
Sir,
So, yes, ma. Srinu, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So why it is not printing anything? Because I value 1, that is fine. 1 greater than equal to 20, no. 1 is not greater than 20, not equal to 20. So obviously false. If it is false means it never go to the block. It will simply come out of the block. It will come here. Do we have any statements after while loop? No. So program will be stopped. Simple. Okay. So what I'm writing here? The above program will not print anything because the condition is failed. So it will come out of the while loop, while block means this area, curly brace begin opening and closing is said to be block. So it will not go to the block, it will come out of the block. So okay, so that is why there is no output. Is it clear, guys?
yes, sir.
Yeah. So now I want to you know try to discuss about, we have so many programs like most of the cases they will ask you to you know to print or to check the given number is prime number or not. Okay, let's see that how to check the number is prime or not. Let's go to file, close all editors. Let's copy paste this project. So you will get a new project automatically. 21 I'm giving, and let's go to this 21 and try to modify. So what is my program is all about? I want to print uh, I want to check the given number is prime or not. To check the given number is prime number or not. So how do we do? So take I, integer I is a variable, followed by n. N is the number I'm taking, and I'm taking something like a count variable, initializing with the what you call 0. So let's ask the user for n value first. In order to ask n value, scanner class is already there imported. So let's create a scanner class object. Scanner s is equal to new scanner of system dot in. So now what I'm saying, let us ask the user for n value or enter a number, because I want to check the number is prime or not. So I'm reading that number into n. N is equal to s dot next integer. Number is ready. So now what should I do? I'm just simply starting the process. What is the process I'm doing now? What is prime number? Srinu, what is prime number?
Factorial of factorial of 2.
No, no, no. What is prime number? Srinu, Gopi, anybody?
I don't know idea, sir.
Prime number means a number which is divisible by 1 and itself, like 5, 7, okay, 11. These are all said to be prime numbers. So first, in order to know what is prime number or not, first we have to count how many times the number is divisible with how many factors are there for the number. Okay, so to do that, what I'm doing is we're starting with 1, I is equal to 1. While I is less than or equal to n, up to n I'm going, and here I'm writing checking whether the n value is divisible by I or not. If n mod I double equal to 0, if that is divisible, what I'm saying here, count plus plus. Okay, I value I want to go to the next number now. So what is this loop is doing? We are moving from 1 to itself. So suppose 5 I am giving here. So I value 1. 1 less than or equal to 5? Yes. 5 mod 1 equal to 0? Yes. 5 ones are 5. Count is increased. What is count value? 0. It will become 1. I plus plus 2. 2 less than or equal to 5? Yes. Again, 5 mod 2 equal to 0? No, it is not divisible. Because 2 twos are 4, remainder 1, right? So this is not divisible. So count will not be increased. Now I plus plus 3. 3 less than or equal to 5? Yes. But again, 5 mod 3 equal to 0? No, false. So again, I plus plus 4 less than or equal to 5? Yes. Again, it will not be increased. I plus plus 5. 5 less than or equal to 5? Yes. 5 mod 5 equal to 0? Yes. Count will become 2. So I plus plus 6. 6 less than 5? No, it will come out. So here I'm checking. If count equal to 2 means any number is having only 2 factors, then what I'm saying? Prime number. Otherwise, not a prime number. Simple. Else, not prime. Okay. So let's run it and see. So what is the value of, enter a number means I said 5. See the output, guys. 5 is a prime number. So it's working perfect. Okay. So let's run it again. This time let's give 9. 9 is not a prime number. See the output, guys. Not prime. Let's give 11. 11 is a prime number. See the output, guys. Guys, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's all about prime number. Of course, there are different methodologies. This is one of the style of checking a number is prime or not. Okay. Yeah. Let's save it and let's copy paste it into our program. Yeah. Yeah. So now let's go to do while, guys. Like this, we can do so many tasks in while loop. We can try for Fibonacci series. What is the task number?
Six,
Task
sir.
uh, 6. Very good. 6. Let's continue with 6. That is, first you try to print factors of the number. I want to print factors. To print factors of the given number. So what is factor? Suppose if n value is 10, then you have to print output as like 1, 2, 5. You need to print like this. Okay. Same way, task number 7. You can try for to print factorial of the number. Factorial. Like if I give 3 n value 3, 1 into 2 into 3. What is 3 factorial? 6. Are you understanding, ma?
Yes, sir.
Task
Yes,
number
sir.
8. This is very very important. This is to print a Fibonacci series. Fibonacci. It's the name of the scientist. So Fibonacci series we need to print up to n times. N terms we need to print. So what is Fibonacci series? So if n value is something like 5, you need to print like this. First it should start with 0, 1. 0 plus 1 how much? 1. Again 1 plus 1 how much? 2. 2 plus 1 how much? 3. Like that we have to go. Okay. If n value is 8 means we need to print 3 more iterations. 3 plus 2 how much? 5. 5 plus 3 how much? 8. Okay. So like that we need to go up to 8 terms. So how many already printed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time you need to print. 8 plus 5, 13. Are you understanding, guys? This is called as Fibonacci series. 0, 1 you need to take. Suppose 0 value, A value 0, B value 1. Add these twos. C is equal to A plus B. And then print the value, sum of these two. 0 plus
సార్
1,
మనం
1.
మనం n = 8 కదా సార్ ఇచ్చింది.
8 ఇస్తే 8 టర్మ్స్ అనమాట. 8 వరకు కాదు ఇక్కడ, 8 టర్మ్స్. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. అది ఓకేనా. టర్మ్స్ 2 అన్నాను అనుకో, ఇక్కడ వరకు అని కాదు, 2 వరకు కాదు, 2 టర్మ్స్ అంటే 0, 1 రావాలి నాకు అవుట్పుట్. 2 టర్మ్స్ అనమాట, 0 and 1 అంతే. 2
ఓకే
అంటే
సార్.
2 వరకు రావాలని కాదు, అందుకే మీకు అవుట్పుట్ కూడా ఇచ్చాను. 8 ఇస్తే 8 టర్మ్స్, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. అది ఓకేనా. So let's see real time how people will use loops means. Suppose I want to print before going to do while, let's see one small program where I'm taking student roll number, name, marks in 3 subjects. We have done it earlier, I hope you remember. Student total average chesam gurtunda program mana. Hello.
సార్
Yes, sir.
దాన్నే చేస్తున్నాం ఇప్పుడు. We are doing the same program but I'm going to use loops now. Loops, how to use loops, let's check it out. So to print total and average of n students, to print total and average of n students. n అంటే ఎంత, యూజర్ అడుగుతాం ఎంతమంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు క్లాస్లో అని. సో హౌ మెనీ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, ఫర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ ఐ నీడ్ టు print total and average. So how to do that? Scanner class is anyhow ready. Integer roll number, RNO, what else, S1 subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, total, and I also I'm taking. Why I am taking? Because I want to repeat the loop for n times. Okay, n is also required, right? So take n also, I comma n. So all are integer variables. Now we are asking for what? Name of the student, and then average, double average, average. So let's ask the user for n value first. Sys out, we're asking for roll number. Okay, enter roll number, sorry, n value first. We are asking for n value, or enter how many students are there in your class, like that we can ask. Enter number of students, like that I'm asking how many students are there. So that I'm reading to n. N is equal to s dot next integer, n value is ready. So now how many times I need to repeat? Up to n times. So take I value as 1 while I is less than or equal to n, and then inside the loop I plus plus. So at the end I plus. In between you can write all the statements like reading, roll number, name, everything. We know this, right? Sys out, enter roll number. Okay, so what I'm writing here, RNO is equal to s dot next integer, number is ready. Now sys out, enter student name, student name. So what should I do here? Name is equal to s dot next line, or next also you can take it. Let's do it. What happens? Sys out, enter marks in 3 subjects, like MPC marks or whatever subjects marks are there. I want to read. How to read them? S1 is equal to s dot next integer, subject 1, subject 2, s2 is equal to s dot next integer, and then s3, subject 3 is equal to s dot next integer. 3 subjects marks are ready. So now what should I do? I need to ask the user for, I need to calculate total and average, guys. So TOT is equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3. Average is equal to total by 3 subjects. So ready. Calculation part is also done. So now I need to print total and average of the students. Is out. So what I'm printing, first let's print roll number and name followed by total and average. Okay, these 4 things only I'm printing. No was I want to print marks in 3 subjects also, means you can print that as well. So right now we are printing roll number, name, sys out, total marks, TOT, and then average, sys out, average plus average. Okay, all are ready. Now I plus plus. So what is this I plus plus? It will go to the next iteration. So for second student, this will be used. Again, so what is n value? Suppose if I say n value 3, so first I value 1, 1 less than equal to 3. Yes, it will ask all the student details, calculate total average. After that I plus plus. It will become 2. Again it will come here. 2 less than equal to n. Yes, again it will ask for second student details. Again 3, 3 less than equal to 1. Yes, third time. 4 I plus plus 4 less than equal to 3. No, it will come out of the body. Let's check it out how it is working. Number of students I said 3. Roll number 1. Name I said something like Srinu. Marks in 3 subjects I'm giving like 99, 88, 77. See, roll number 1, Srinu, total and average. Enter roll number, it is asking second student roll number. So I said Gopi, and then I'm giving marks like 100, 99, 79, something like this. So now we got average. Again, it is asking guys, third student details. So roll number 3, I said Prakash, I said name 55, and now marks in 3 subjects 55, 66, 76. So it is stopped. So for how many students we have done now?
3 students.
3 students, but I'm not executing 3 times guys, only one time I executed, but my loop is executing for n times. What is n value? If I say 3, it will repeat for 3 times. No sir, I said 30 because I have 30 students in my class. 30 times it will be repeated. So in this way loops will help you to repeat the same task again and again. That is the purpose of loop control statements. Like when you are putting alarm in your mobile, so you have an option like every day. So you want to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. So what do? We will put 5 a.m. and followed by everyday option is there. Every day, or you can off on Saturday and Sunday. So that is said to be loop. Keep on iterating for the given number of times. So again, you will never every night, you will not set the alarm. Only one time you are setting and leaving. It will keep on iterating up to the given number of times. So that is the power of loop control statements. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's all about looping control statements. And so that's all for today, guys. So tomorrow, if you have time, I'll tell you. But Monday onwards, morning 6 to 7 in the morning, we will continue online class. Okay. So any
Okay,
doubts
sir.
Yes,
come to this
sir.
session, guys?